Hi family, welcome to my AI Leaderboard Kingpin review. I'm Samuel from Unique Reviews channel where I give honest digital product reviews along with super bonuses for products I truly trust in. Artificial intelligence plus leaderboards plus Kingpin equals to money. Yeah, 24 leaderboard contacts in first, second, or third place since using AI for affiliate promos in the last 60 days. Let's see what is AI leaderboard Kingpin. Yeah, these are the testimonies of Kingpin who used to, after one day, they got $5,000 in sales. Yeah, he's telling about LOL. That's an affiliate leaderboard contest, and it is after only the first day one. I will walk with the 500 cash prize in my pocket when the contest is over. Nice compliment to the multiple thousands in commission I learned. I hope you are as excited as I am about the incredible potential of AI leaderboard Kingpin. It's time to explore just how powerful this product can be in transforming your life and income. Imagine a world where you can make money from anywhere without any experience, upfront costs, or massive following. With AI leaderboard Kingpin, that world is your reality. Yes, James and Max have been living the dream consistently since so many days, so many months daily by tapping into power of AI leaderboard Kingpin. They have cracked the code to success and now it's your turn. Let's see what is AI leaderboard kingdom and we can understand very well. AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a tool that claims to help you make money online by performing well on leaderboards for various products or competitions. It suggests that you can earn money without needing any prior experience, money upfront, or a social media following. The idea is that it offers a way to achieve financial independence from anywhere in the world. How does AI Leaderboard Kingpin work? AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a platform that marketers promote affiliate products more effectively. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms to find potential customers, send traffic to offers, and increase the chances of making sales. This AI technology gives users an edge, helps them access new sources of visitors, and can lead to impressive outcome in their marketing efforts. You can use hidden secret AI tools other marketers don't even know that exist. Yeah, we can use AI in a specified way that get your eyeballs on offers better than anyone everyone else. First thing is that the kingpin method dominates is by ranking at the top of Google in multiple areas at once. Yeah, there are so many. And third way is using special AI to exploit other areas of the internet that other marketers never dream of using or even know exist. We know you are crushing it, but is this AI traffic just for product launches? No, you can literally use this to sell anything, any niche. You can unlock the power of AI leaderboard kingpin. Join now and start dominating leaderboards, boosting your profits and achieving financial freedom. Don't miss out. Take control of your success today. Link in description. Check it out. Yeah, there are so many pros. Yeah, let's see some pros with no previous following, no need to get in front of camera, no skills needed, no difficult setup, no previous experience, no further investment, no need for your own website, and you don't even need your own offer. If you have internet connection, you can now dominate leaderboards, make tons of sales to your own product sales, and sell any other program all with AI leaderboard kingpin. Cons. Indeed, I haven't found any other issue with the AI leader booking software so far. So this is about pros and cons of Kingpin. Let's see some key features and benefits. Easily replication and accessibility. AI Leaderboard Kingpin provides a straightforward strategy that doesn't demand a pre-existing audience, any initial financial investments or previous expertise. This means that individuals from any location or any background can use this platform to their advantage. With AI leaderboard kingpins, clear step-by-step instructions, users can easily put the strategies into action and begin making money. Utilizing AI intelligence for maximum results, the platform's incorporation of artificial intelligence enables users to harness its expensive capabilities. Through the use of AI tools and methods, marketers can direct specific traffic to their promotions, pinpoint lucrative niches, and enhance their marketing campaigns. Yeah, the AI algorithm provides valuable insights and suggestions, empowering users to make informed choices based on data and achieve improved conversion rates. Yeah, you can dominate leaderboards and generating profits. One of the standard features of AI leaderboard kingpin is its focus on leaderboard contests. Leaderboard represents the top performing affiliates who bring in the most sales for a product. With AI leaderboard kingpin, users can select new products daily, use AI driven strategies to drive buyers to those products, and compete for top positions on leaderboard. This is not only generates substantial profits but also opens doors to additional rewards and prize money. Yeah, ready to supercharge your marketing efforts with AI Leaderboard Kingpin? Click the link in description, get started now today and unlock your path to financial success. Thank you.